Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change page background color in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheet document file. In this video, I will show that change page background color. Now select from the all page and now for select. Now select from the Ctrl A, then going to the fill color option, then choose color. That's it. Then I show change page background color in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.